Hey guys, so for today's video, I'm going to show you really quick how to change your ArcGIS Pro default theme. So the default theme is always white. And I noticed that when I was a student, um, you know, working late on my projects, this white screen really takes a toll on the eyes. So I think the dark theme really helps out more, makes it easier on your eyes. So first we're just gonna go to settings. Next we're gonna go to options, and then general, application theme, and then dark. And then it asks us to restart ArcGIS Pro. So we're gonna close this, restart it, and it should open up with a dark theme. There you go. Now we got the dark theme, and if you liked the video, if you thought it was helpful, hit that like button. I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching.